Hi guys, my name is Destiny. I'll be showing my back to school supplies. Here are two of my binders. The white one.
Those are what sizes? Half an inch?
Half an inch. And here's my other one with half an inch again. Those are my two binders. Here's the ruler for school. Here's two glue sticks.
Hold it up, I can't see.
Five markers. 1 scissors. 12 colored pencils. Shapes. And here are 2 more. One eraser and pencils. $24 crayons, 10 markers, 3 composition books, one
What color is that one?
pink and white, and polka dots with black, blue or black,
It's blue.
and another composition book with butterflies and colors on it. And on the back is purple with dots. Here are 2 Yobis. Here's the back zipper.
That's for your
Pencil.
your binder.
Binders.
Your binder pencil case.
Binder pencil case goes into. Here's another one. And here's another one.
Oh, my person.
Here's one of my Yobis. Two of the small pockets. Here's another one.
Pooping my person. Oh.
Jackson.
Purple inside. Here are my 2 folders.
What colors?
Pan
What
colors.
is this?
Little sneaker.
Stinker.
Stinker. Chilling with my dooms.
Gnomes.
Chilling with my gnomes. It's green.
Mommy.
And here's my backpack. There are 2 buckles and 1 zipper. Inside
Another
is gray.
thing that
2 pockets with a latch.
Name is Drake.
A name, phone, address, email. 4 pockets where to put your pencils, and 1 more pocket. Two pockets where you could put your water bottles in. And here's some leech. Inside you could see, and there's a back one over here. Back over here. And inside it looks like this. And the back is like this. It's gray with 1 buckle, another buckle with strips. And that's my backpack.
Thank you for watching. Bye.
Thank you for watching. Bye.